Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to assemble my new character boxes. These are really cute little displays for family members. So the boxes themselves have all the personalization on them. They have the name plaques, and then the characters can be switched out. So I've designed these so far. I have a Nutcracker family, I have the skeleton family with all the characters, and I have the Scarecrow family with all the characters. And then I'll be designing a family set for every holiday. So it comes with the 6 characters. You have your dog, your cat, little girl, little boy, mom and dad, and then you can switch them out whatever you need, and add as many as you like. This box itself comes with the ability to do from 2 to 10 characters or family members, 3 different size boxes. This one here is our medium-sized box. So one box a little bit larger, and then there's the smaller box. All of them can be done on a Glowforge. I've designed them all to fit on just a standard Glowforge sheet of wood. I designed the pattern for the 1/4-inch maple pure bond Columbia Forest products that you can get at Home Depot. That's the one we use the most. It's great for the Glowforge, cuts really nice. So the box itself is a basic box. It has trim pieces, then it has a top and a bottom plate, which gives you a really nice finished look without a bunch of tabs everywhere. As you know, when we build boxes on the laser, a lot of times you end up with tabs. So this covers everything up. So you're going to start with the box itself. Everything's written out in the patterns, but this just gives a few tips and tricks. Your box itself, everything's done by just giving a gentle tap with the hammer to attach it. There's no glue necessary. The curve's pretty much right on that. It's really sturdy without glue. The fronts of all your boxes will have the name plaques scored on them. That's just to show you placement. You could engrave right on this if you didn't want to do the added step, but the raised plaques look really nice. So there's actually 2 sizes of plaques. 7 names and under have the larger plaques like this, and then 8 and 9 and 10 have the smaller plaques to be able to fit all the names on properly. So the front of the box is designed so that on the sides, I've removed the extra tab here because you see that through the trim. So it's a flat front. So when you're assembling, make sure on your sides that the front always has the flat sides. And that's in your instructions. It's pretty clear. Just make sure that's done properly and that when you assemble, all of your holes are lined up so that when you slide your guys in, they go right to the bottom. Some of them, this one's pretty easy because it's kind of the same if you flip it because it's 5 and 5, but some of the boxes might have like 4 characters in the back, 3 in the front. So if you don't have those lined up properly, your guys aren't going to go down in. So once you have that done, you're going to do your trim pieces come like this. You've got 2 of these, one for the front, one for the back. End pieces. Your end pieces are square. They're just going to go right on. Glue those on. Once those are sturdy, then you're going to line the front up to the front of the box. You're going to put that trim on. That covers up all the tabs so that it's a nice, clean, finished product. Once you have the box done, you have 2 more pieces. You have your bottom plate. Your bottom plate, I've actually scored the size of your finished box with trim so that you can place it and you'll know when it's centered. So you're just going to put that in, line it up. You're going to glue that bottom plate on, and then your top plate, again, making sure all of your holes are lined up. Your top plate's going to go on, and then glue that in place. You can clamp it. I always like to clamp everything just to make sure it's nice and sturdy. Then once your box is done, you can stain it, paint it, however you like. And then your name plaques, I spray paint mine. Mine are made of 1/4-inch birch. It's all done on scrap. It's just engraved, and then I spray paint after I engrave. It doesn't absorb into the engraving, and it gives it a nice finish look, really easy. And then those are going to go on where they're scored. That will show you the exact placement for them. And then you just put the corresponding character above the nameplate. That should be about it. If you have any questions at all, you can always email me at info@lasercompany.ca. And that's it. Thanks.